Video tutorial. Latok eCTD NeeS generation example. Welcome to Latok Solutions Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will generate a submission example in NeeS format. We start by opening the program and the file selection screen appears. The dossier can be stored locally or on the network. The way you work with the program is exactly the same. The difference is that if we store them on a network, all Latok eCTD users with network access will be able to work on them. If we want to generate a new file, we click on the square button and choose the location where we want to host it. In our case, a local location. We create a new folder and the name file. We accept and already have it available to work on. In the drop-down, we have shortcuts to the files with which we have worked previously so that we can select them quickly and conveniently. We also have two free text fields, description to give a title to the dossier and comments to add observations that we deem appropriate. To continue, we have to press the button, NeeS Submissions Builder. As the dossier is new, we see in the left part that there is no previous sequence generated in NeeS. And to generate one, we simply have to press New and the program automatically assigns the correlative sequence number that corresponds to it. Also, we get a free text field to describe regulatory activity contained in that submission. We accept. Pressing Accept generates in the left part the entire structure of the NeeS, with all the possible positions that are required in any type of sequence to be made, either for initial marketing authorization, variations, transfer of marketing authorization, or any other type of regulatory activities. Now it is just a question of dragging the files that are part of the request to their corresponding position. For example, if we drag a cover to position 10 cover, Latok eCTD asks us what the NeeS requires for that position. In this case, we have to choose the country coding, and automatically the program assigns the fixed part of the nomenclature according to that chosen country code, allowing us to assign the variable part that interests us. When saving, the part of the tree containing files is highlighted in blue. Documents can be entered in both PDF and Word formats, as Latok eCTD transferred Word into PDF. Drag a Word document to the corresponding position. The program detects what the NeeS requires in that position, in this case the country code, the language code, and the contents of that file. It also assigns us the fixed part of the nomenclature according to the chosen fields and lets us include a variable part. We save. Once we have inserted a file into the structure, we can still work on it. For this, we select it. And with the right mouse button, we can modify the file name. We can modify the content of the document. Modify, save, and you're done. And we can also remove it from the sequence. It is to be completed with all documentation that the submission we are generating must contain. If several files must be included in the same position, we drag all the files to that position without limit of number. For example, in the bibliographic references, we drag and we simply have to confirm each one of the data of the files. It is done. We continue to include the rest of the documents, and once we've included all of them, click the Word to PDF button. We will already have all the files in PDF in our structure. And press NeeS Builder. We accept and you're done. The NeeS structure has already been generated. The folders have been generated that apply according to the chosen codes. The empty ones have been removed. We hope that this tutorial has been useful. We are at your disposal.